Okay.
Nothing seems right, 'cause when you're born I lose my sight. It's harder at night, the curtain's drawn, can't show my eyes. Do you still think of me? I get a feeling you're lost in a dream. Told me I'm all that you need, but you're too far to even hear me scream. Don't let go, I'm too scared to ever wanna be alone.
Where's that horsepower at? Where's that horsepower at? Press the button. Where's the button? Listen to all that horsepower. I should have brought my gimbal.
Ela é demais pro meu quintal. No off já deu em cima de mim. E aí? Gostosa, mas não vale nada. Vizinha de casa, macete legal, então movimenta. De ladinho esfrega, pede enfocadinha, malvada essa boneca. Movimenta, de ladinho esfrega, pede enfocadinha, malvada essa boneca. Movimenta, de ladinho esfrega, pede enfocadinha, malvada essa boneca.
That's the hidden secret, huh?
seat. I don't know why I never really thought about that. Maybe it's because of fire, water, smoke, mold, or other damage to your property. Since 1968, Custom has been the company in the markets-based service. Licensed, bonded, and insured at customer service training. Ambrose Orthodontics. Ambrose Orthodontics located in West Nashville. Ambrose Orthodontics located in Nashville, West Nashville. They're having a good time. They love the fact that the break starts in the morning, so they don't have to try to cool down those tuned up hills. Hero Car Club of the Twin Cities is the oldest and largest car club in Southeast Washington. With over 110 members and population 200, last cars in 100 years. Got a 400 in there, buddy. That means some of the 160 members are more than one car. Before the classic car stayed 100 years. About a 55 or 56. Robert at the Motel Speedster, wasn't it?
Burn out, dog. Spin it. All right, bro. So what's the IG or?
I don't have one, but I'm normally at all the car shows. My name's Big Happy, also known as Gabriel. I do this Tri-Cities, Walla Walla, Portland, Seattle. I'm originally from Los Angeles, California. I stay out in Walla Walla area, so if you guys need Hot Wheels, just hit up Big Happy Collectibles.
Facebook?
I don't have Facebook, no. I have Snapchat.
Okay.
It's at Guero2324, Guero 2324.
One love's alone, you
bomb though. Damn. Remember that one on Gone in 60 Seconds?
No.
Remember that one that shoots flames with the skulls?
Oh, that one.
Yeah, Hello Kitty in the back.
She's beautiful.
Thank you, thank you. She got
clean.
got air conditioning on it.
Oh, nice.
Oh yeah, that's nice this time.
Nice and cool.
Oh yeah.